Hello, boys and girls and parents, and welcome to another lesson. I'm using the Eureka model, and we're doing third grade math, and it's module 7. And today we're going to focus on lesson 14. Okay, we're continuing with parameter. Okay, finding the parameter of shapes like regular polygons and rectangles. Okay, I want to say a special thank you to Miss Evans and Miss Thomas and Miss Agbola, because we are all one team and we're putting these lessons together. Okay, so stay tuned. We're gonna get right into the lesson. Okay, and as added note, I'm hoping that everyone will take very seriously the lessons and the activities, making sure that you're taking time to practice during the practice times. Okay, all right, let's get started over here. Okay, all right, so as you can see, it's parameter of regular polygons and rectangles. Okay, now we're going to start off with multiplying by 8, but first let's talk about regular polygons. What makes a polygon regular? And we went through this a couple lessons ago. Regular polygons, really quick, regular polygons, they have equal sides and equal angles. Okay, that's what makes a polygon regular. Equal sides and equal angles. A regular polygon would be a square, okay, because it has all the sides equal and all the angles are equal. So all of these interior angles, they are right angles. And you know, right angles measures 90 degrees, okay? So that's a regular polygon. What is not a regular polygon is a rectangle. So don't confuse the two. And what makes a rectangle not regular in terms of polygon is because not all the sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, so you have the top and the bottom sides, which is the opposite sides, are equal to each other. And then the sides going down, the left and the right sides are equal. Okay, both of them, they measure the same. So not all the sides are equal, and not but however the angles are equal. There are 4 right angles, and remember that right angles measure 90 degrees each. So that will make the rectangle not regular because the sides are not all equal. Okay, I'm gonna just leave this right here and put the X right here for you to understand that the rectangle is not a regular polygon because not all the sides are equal to each other. And the square is a regular polygon because all the sides and angles are equal. Okay, and these are the criteria to make a polygon regular. Okay, let's come back over here and let's practice some multiplication by 8. And our first one, if you want to write as we go through this, you have your pencil and paper. 7 times 8 equals, and let's skip count by 8 or count up by 8 to get to our answer. And we have 8 ones 8, 8 twos 16, 8 threes 24, 8 fours 32, 8 fives 40, 8 sixes 48, 8 sevens 56, and that will end it right here. 8 sevens 56. So we'll put 56 on the line right here because 8 times 7 is 56. Okay, now let's we could practice also with 9 times 8. So let's draw our line and do 9 times 8. And 9 times 8, let's use our skip counting at the top here. Counting by 8, we have 8 times 1 is 8. 8 2 is 16. 8 3 is 24. 8 4 is 32. 8 5 is 40. 8 6 is 48. 8 7 is 56. And we need to add 2 more to it. So let's come down at the bottom here and write 8 eighths. So 8 sevens 56. 8 eighths 64. 8 nines 72. And that will give us our answer for 9 times 8. Okay? So 9 times 8 is 72. And if you want to check your answer, you could count the number of 8s here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9 times 8. Okay? And 9 times 8 is 72. We could also practice with 8 times 8 equals. And then we could count it because we already have up to 9. This is 9 times 8, so therefore 1 less would be 8 times 8. And 8 times 8 is 64. Okay? We could also, since we're at it, counting with our fingers. So we could say 8 ones 8, 8 twos 16, 8 threes 24, 8 fours 32, 8 fives 40, 8 sixes 48, 8 sevens 56, 8 eights 64, 8 nines 72, and of course 8 tens is 80. That one is an easy one. Okay, all right, so that's counting by 8. If you want to practice, you could also practice using this one by yourself. 8 times 11, or 11 times 8 equals what number? And also 12 times 8. I wonder what 12 times 8 is. And just once you finish with 8 times 8, if you want to comment below the video and put your answer for 12 times 8 and 11 times 8, just write it out in the comment section and put your answer there. Okay? All right, we're going to move on to another section, and it's with units of 7, counting with units of 7. Okay? All right. Okay, so now let's do equivalent counting with units of 7. And we're going to count up to 70. Okay, all right, let's go. We're counting up to 70. You can count with me as we go along. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 twos, 14. 7 threes, 21. 7 fours, 28. 7 fives, 35. 7 sixes, 42. 7 sevens, 49. 7 eights, 56. 7 nines, 63. And 7 tens, 70. Okay, that's counting up to 7. Counting up to 70. Let's look at 7 times 3. 7 times 3. What is 7 times 3? And you could also count on your finger. 7 1 7. 7 twos 14. 7 threes 21. And notice that my finger is pointing at 21. So 7 3, so 1 sevens, 2 sevens, 3 sevens, it's 21. Okay, that's it right there. We could also practice with 5 times 7. You could skip count on your finger for that one also. 7 1 7, 7 twos 14, 7 threes 21, 7 fours 28, and 7 fives 35. So you put your 35 here. So 7 times 5 is 35. You could also do 1 sevens, 2 sevens, 3 sevens, 4 sevens, 5 sevens. 5 sevens 35. 1, 2, 3 sevens 21. Okay? How about you practice using this one? 8 sevens equals what number? you could do that one and comment below with that particular one, 8 sevens or 8 times 7. And also you could do this one, 10 times 7 or 10 sevens. You could do that one also and comment below. Okay? All right, those two are for practice. All right, now let's get into concept development, and we have some fun activities finding parameter. Okay? All right, here goes. Now, before we get into the concept development, there's the application problem here. We're going to take a few minutes to solve this one. It says that a rectangular sheet pen measures 5 meters long and 9 meters wide. The parameter of the cow pen is double the parameter of the sheep pen. What is the parameter of the cow pen? Okay, let's dive into this problem here. Okay, so this is the sheep pen, and the measurements on the side. It's 9 meters wide and 5 meters long. Okay, now it also states, the problem also states that the cow, which is a different pen, the cow pen is double the parameter of the sheep pen. So we don't know the measurements of the cow pen yet. We're going to have to use the sheep pen to calculate that. So let's find out how much in terms of parameter the sheep pen, and then we will focus on the doubling of it to get to the parameter of the cow pen. Okay, here goes. So remember that parameter is the distance around an object from the previous lesson. So parameter, the parameter of the sheep pen, we have parameter equals 9, and that's the length of it up here, 9, plus the length of it here is 5. And remember that in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. So if this is 9, then therefore down here is going to be 9 as well. And if one side of it over here is 5, this side is equal to this side. So that side will be 5 as well. So let's go ahead and add these all up. 9 plus 5 is 14. And plus 9 plus 5 is also 14. And when you add 2 to get the two 14s together, you get 28. And it's 28 meters because it's the pen is measured in meters. So this is the parameter of the sheep pen. Okay, it's 28 meters. Let's find out how much the parameter of the cow pen is, because it says that the cow pen is double the parameter of the sheep pen. What is it? The sheep pen's parameter is 28 meters. What is 28 meters doubled? When you double this, what do you get? So the cow pen, P-N, equals 28 multiplied by 2, because you're doubling it, and double means that you multiply the number by 2 or you add it to itself. So in other words, you're getting 2 of the same thing in one. So 28 times 2 is equal to 56, and it's 56 meters because the unit is in meters. Okay, so this is the cow pen's parameter because it's double the sheep pen's parameter. Okay, if you want to go over that one again, you can rewind the video and then take your time to understanding the steps and the procedures. Okay, all right, let's go into the concept development. All right, so this rectangle has the length of it is 9 centimeters. Notice the unit, and the width of it is 6 centimeters. So we're going to find the perimeter of this one. It's perimeter equals, and we're going to focus on doubling the sides, because if this side is 9, then therefore this other side up here is 9, because remember, opposite sides are equal in the rectangle. And if this side is 6, then here is 6 as well. And remember that parameter is the distance around the object. So we're adding all the sides distances, okay? So let's go. Let's start from this 6 over here. If this side is 6, then the other side is also 6, okay? So that plus 6, so this side we take care of, and this side we take care of, okay? 6 plus 6. And if this side is 9, so let's put our 9 down, then this other side up here is 9 as well. So plus 9 again, because it has 4 sides. So we have 2 9s and we have 2 6s, okay? So let's go ahead and use our doubles. 6 plus 6, or 6 times 2, is 12, plus 9 times 2, or 9 plus 9, is 18. Okay? And 18 plus 12, or 12 plus 18, is equal to 30. And remember your unit. What is the unit? It's in centimeters. So it's 30 centimeters. Okay? And that is the perimeter of this particular rectangle. All right? Now, we could practice using another method, because if this is double, then you could also say the same one, the same particular one. Let's say the perimeter is equal to 6 times 2, parentheses, plus 9 times 2, because it's a rectangle. And 6 times 2 is 12, plus 9 times 2 is 18, equals 30. 12 plus 18 is 30. And remember, your unit is centimeters. Okay? The same one using a different strategy. Okay? Let's draw one from scratch here and practice. Okay? Let's go with rectangle. And let's say this one is 14 meters. And let's say this side is 3 meters. Okay? So this side is 14, so therefore this other side is 14 as well, centimeters. And if this side is 3, since it's a rectangle, the opposite side is equal, and therefore this side is also 3 meters. Oh, I put centimeters here. This is supposed to be meters. All right, let's put this closer. Okay, let's go ahead quickly and find the perimeter of this. P, which is perimeter, is equal to 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, easy peasy. And 14 plus 14, or 14 times 2, will give you 28. And 3 plus 3, obviously, is 6. So 28 plus 6 is 34. And the unit is meters, so you can't forget your meters right there. Okay? All right. Now, so this has to do with the rectangle. Okay? It's not regular. It's not a regular polygon. Let us find the perimeter of a regular polygon now. Okay? Let's dig into regular polygons. They're very easier than the rectangle. Okay. All right, let's dive into some regular polygons. Now remember, call this a square because all the sides are equal. And let's say this side is 6 centimeters. And remember, if all the sides are equal, whatever one side measures, then the other sides will measure the same. So how many sides does it have? It has 4 sides. So the perimeter of the square is equal to 6 plus 6, which is this side, plus this side, plus this side. So it's 4 6's you're going to write down. Okay? So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. And it's equal to 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus, and obviously these two are 12 again. So 12 plus 12 is 24. And what is the unit? Is in centimeters. Okay? So it's 24 centimeters. However, let's look at a more efficient way of solving the same problem. If there are 4 sides here on the regular polygon, which is a square, and one of the sides is 6. So perimeter is equal to 6 times 4, because it has 4 sides and each of the sides measures 6. So it's 6 times 4, which is equal to 6 times 4. Let's do our skip counting on our fingers and on the board. 6 1s 6, 6 2s 12, 6 3s 18, 6 3s 18, 6 4s 24. Okay, so 6 4s is 24, and remember your unit is in centimeters. Okay, so this is a more efficient way of solving the same problem of a regular polygon. If you know one of the sides, then you could count up all the sides and multiply the side length by the number of sides. Okay, side length by the number of sides, and you get your perimeter. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, now this is another one, a regular polygon. Now these little lines on the sides signify that they are all equal and it's a regular polygon. And if it's a regular polygon, then the angles are also equal to each other. Okay, the sides are equal, the angles are equal. Let's count how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a hexagon. And let's say this side measures 3 meters. Now remember, if all the sides are equal, then if this side measures 3 meters, then this side is 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. Okay, all the sides are 3 each. So we could go ahead and find the perimeter by saying 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many 3s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 plus 3, 6, and then 3 plus 3, 6. So you have 1, 2, 3, 6s. Okay? 6 plus 6, 12, plus 6 is 18. So this one would be 18 meters. That's the perimeter. However, we could apply the previous method. How many sides? 6 sides. It's a hexagon, and they're all equal. So the perimeter is equal to the side length, which is 3, multiplied by how many sides? 6 sides. So therefore, the perimeter is 3 times 6 is 18 meters unit. The unit is meters. Okay, so you could use this method, which is very efficient, to find the perimeter of regular polygons when all the sides are equal. Okay, all right. Now we also have some practice to do. If you want to take a look at the practice for this lesson, so you can practice using working out your 8 times table, multiplication table, multiplying by 8, all the way practice. However, these are the practice ones I want you to focus on. This one, and remember, you can pause the video each time, find the perimeter of this shape, and remember, if one side has 8, then you know that all the other sides have 8 each. Okay, all of them, and it's a regular polygon. Okay, then this one has 7 on one side, so you know what's going to be the measurement for each of the other sides. Find the perimeter of that one. Also, and remember to pause the video at each time you're finding the perimeter of each. Also this one, find the perimeter of this one. And find the perimeter of this one. And notice that these are not regular. This one is not regular. However, you're going to find the perimeter of those ones and this one. But also find the side length of this side and this side. Okay? All right. And also, if you want to finish off with your practice, you could also find the perimeter of this one here. And that will do it for you. Okay? All right, guys, we're gonna close off here. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this and going through the lesson. I know it's long, but it will help, okay? And I want to say special thank you to Miss Evans, Miss Thomas, and Miss Agbola. I hope students will take this all in and learn, okay? And there are more videos to come in the future. We look forward to those, okay? Have a great time. Please do not get bored. Go over the lessons and enjoy your time at home with your family. Use this time to spend some time with your family. Also, to go back into our lessons that we have been doing over the past number of weeks before all of this happened, okay? All right, have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.